Look at your books on page 54. We are going to start with unit 4. I wonder what happened. You know, this is the first lesson in unit 4. Listen and discuss. As usual, here we have the objectives. We are going, to predict what happened in the pictures, relate the sentences to the pictures, use predicting, expressions like might, must, could, etc. Also ask questions about the photos using might, could, must. Summarize events according to the picture. Okay. Now, who can read the question? Read the question.
Am I?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Have you ever been involved in or heard of a situation that was mysterious and seemed to have no logical explanation?
Good. Have you ever been involved in or heard of a situation that was mysterious and seemed, to have no logical explanation, sorry? Now look here. We have, the speculation or guessing or, prediction. Sometimes we can predict what happened. Try to explain what happened. So speculation means, who can read the definition of the speculation, Anwar? The speculation
Okay.
means,
The speculation means the activity of guessing possible answers to a question without having enough information to be certain.
good. The activity of guessing possible answers to a question without having enough information to be certain. Activity of guessing or predicting possible answers to a question without having any information or enough information to be certain. Good. Look at your box on page 54. Now here we have some pictures. We are going to look at these pictures and write words for some of the things and actions we, see in each picture. Here we have 6 pictures. We are going to listen to the sentences. We are going to listen, to the sentences on page 54 from A to G. If there is no audio, tell me, okay?
There is no audio.
Okay, 1 minute. Just to share again. Listen.
Unit 4. I wonder what happened. Pages 54 and 55. 1. Listen and discuss.
A. There must have been a hurricane or a tornado. B. It can't be a real locomotive. It must be an advertisement. C. He might have teased the bull. D. The driver must have lost control of the truck. E. It might be a new design of sunglasses. F. It must be the crater of a volcano, or maybe a meteorite could have fallen. G. It could be something from another planet.
Okay.
كرم عينك.
Now here we are going to match these sentences with the pictures. Before doing this, we are going to look at the picture, each picture, and try to what? Speculate about them and to mention more than word for each picture. Look at the first picture. What can you see in the picture? Here words. Just, give us words. A building. Yes.
Locomotive.
Good. Locomotive. Train or locomotive. Accident. Building, house, etc. Now, what might have happened? Yes, Adnan?
Yes, Mr. What might have happened? A hurricane could have happened, and
Good.
or it could be like
Might
a fake one.
It might have been what? An accident, or it might have been an, advertisement. But I think, being as an advertisement is closer than, or logically, it is better than, being an accident. Good. Look at the second picture. What can you see in the picture? Yes, Anwar?
Okay.
Hmm?
I can see a truck, for
Truck,
example.
maybe accident, road, bridge, etc. Good. Now, what could have happened?
Can I answer?
Yeah,
The truck had an accident because of the snow.
it could have been, an accident. Maybe the driver, uh, could have been driving fast. Maybe, he must have, lost, the control for the truck. Look in picture number 3. What can you see in picture number 3? Yes, Asaf.
A man running from a bull.
Good. We have a man, bull, chasing or chased, etc. Good. Now fighting. Why is the bull angry? Maybe, the man could have teased the bull. Good. It could have been a competition. We don't know. Okay, picture number 4. Who can give us, words? What can you see in the picture?
Can I answer?
Yes, Adnan.
For example, a dome, a big dome.
Good. Sky, dome, mystery. We do not know what it happened to. What could have happened? It could have been something from the outer space. Maybe, don't know. It could have been a new design. Number 5. What can you see? Asaf,
Crash car
crash.
house.
Maybe, hurricane, tornado, let us say strong storm, destruction, etc. Good. What could have happened? Yes, Dia.
Tornado or hurricane.
Good. Maybe it could have been a natural disaster. Could have been a tornado. Good. So you realized here we use what? Could have, must be for what? Speculation. The last one. What do you think, the picture is? What can you see in the picture? Yes. Yeah.
I can see
Can I
a
answer?
valley.
Yes. Hole, crater, a hole, maybe sky. What might be happened? Might be what? A volcano. Might be, fireball falling down from the sky. I don't know. Okay. Number 7. What can you see?
Can I answer?
Yes, Adnan. Yes,
Sunglasses, for example,
sunglasses.
a new design.
Yes, good. Man, sunglasses. What could have happened? Yes, Khalid.
They could have made a new fashion.
Good, very good. Thank you. It could have been, an advertisement for a new brand of glasses or a new fashion, etc. Good, thank you.
Model.
Maybe, good, thank you. Now here we are going to match the pictures with the sentences. Look at your box and look at, look at the sentences from A to G. We are going to match them with the pictures from 1 to 7. Number 1, who can read the first sentence? On page 54, sorry. Page 54. Diya, read the first one, please.
There must have been a hurricane or a tornado. Number 5.
Good. So here, there must have been a hurricane or tornado. It comes with number 5. Good, thank you. Yes, Ali Shurman, are you here? Yes, Ali.
Can I answer?
Yes. Yes, Adnan.
Okay. It can be a real locomotive. It must be an advertisement. 1.
Good. Good. It cannot be a real locomotive. It must be an advertisement. So it comes with number 1. Number, sentence 3.
I can.
Yes.
3.
Yes,
He
3.
makes have a test.
He might have used the ball. Yes.
3.
Yes, it comes with picture number 3. He might have teased the ball, battered the ball.
Can I solve the next?
Yes, يلا أنور.
Okay. The driver must have lost control of the truck.
The driver must have lost control of the truck. Which
It's
picture
number 2.
comes with the sentence? Yes, number 2. Good, thank you. Next sentence E. Who can read? Yes, Hamza.
And yes, teacher. A. It might be a new design of sunglasses.
Good. It might be, a new design of sunglasses. So picture 7 comes with the sentence. Thank you. Next. Who can read? Ali Shurman, are you here? Nuruddin.
Can I solve?
Ahmed Al-Hurani. Yes.
Can I?
Yes. Read.
It must be the crater of a volcano or maybe a meteorite could have fallen. Number 6.
Good. It comes with number 6. It must be the crater of a volcano or maybe a meteorite could have fallen. Good.
Is it the next one?
Yes, Adnan.
It could be something from another planet. Number 4.
Yes, it comes with picture number 4. Thank you very much. Try to do it quickly, please. Do the exercise quickly. Now, if you finish, move to the next page. On page 55. Here, the ways that we can, speculate or guess about the events or activities. We can use cannot be if you are sure, could be, for what? Probability. Must be if we are certain from things. Must have also the same. Might be related to what? Maybe when we are uncertain. Might have the same. So these are the ways to speculate about events. Okay, now go to your books on page 55. Here we have an article or a story comes from, maybe a newspaper. We are going to listen just to share the audio, then we will ask you questions. 1 minute, please. Okay, listen. Listen, please.
Meteorite hits house. New Orleans, Louisiana, USA. When Ray and Judy Fawcett arrived home on the afternoon of September 23, 2003, they discovered to their amazement that a meteorite had crashed through their two-story house. Neighbors said that they had heard a terrific noise, and 2 people had actually seen the fireball when the meteor hit. The meteorite had penetrated through the faucet's roof and the house's 2 floors, and it had ended up in the crawl space under the house, leaving debris and fragments along its path. A total mass of 42.5 pounds, 19.3 kilograms, from the meteorite was recovered from the Fawcett house. The 3 largest fragments weighed 6.5 pounds, 2.9 kilograms, 2.9 pounds, 1.3 kilograms, and 2.2 pounds, 1 kilogram.
Okay. Listen again, please.
Meteorite hits New Orleans, Louisiana, USA. When Ray and Judy Fawcett arrived home on the afternoon of September 23, 2003, they discovered to their amazement that a meteorite had crashed through their 2-story house. Neighbors said that they had heard a terrific noise, and 2 people had actually seen the fireball when the meteor hit. The meteorite had penetrated through the faucet's roof and the house's 2 floors, and it had ended up in the crawl space under the house, leaving debris and fragments along its path. A total mass of 42.5 pounds, 19.3 kilograms, from the meteorite was recovered from the Fawcett house. The 3 largest fragments weighed 6.5 pounds, 2.9 kilograms, 2.9 pounds, 1.3 kilograms, and 2.2 pounds, 1 kilogram.
Okay. Now, is this article taken from, the newspaper? Yes. Is it taken from a newspaper?
Sir?
Yes, Adnan.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. The Daily Reading Journal. What is it about? What is this article about?
Can I answer?
Khalid? Abdullah, Abdiya.
Yes.
It's about a meteorite hitting a house.
Good.
Yeah.
Yes, a meteorite, hits a house. Where is in New Orleans, located? Where is it located? Abdullah Fadi?
Yeah, Mr. It's located in the house floor.
Asking about, the town here in New Orleans, it is, in Louisiana, USA.
I think the home.
Asking a place, good. Look here, it is in Louisiana, USA. Good. Now, what happened to Ray and Judy Fawcett's house?
Mister,
Yes.
today the quiz, we have an open time to solve.
No. We have, a strict time from 23 to 3. 20, 2:30 to 3.
No, I mean I can start the exam if I need at 7 p.m.
No, you cannot. You have to start at 2:30. Finished at 3. Okay.
So how many questions?
Maybe 15. The questions are very easy. Don't worry about the exam. Okay. Who can answer the question, please?
Answer it.
Can I?
Yes. What happened to Ray and Judy Fawcett's house? It was,
A meteorite penetrated through their house.
Good. It was struck by a meteorite. Good, thank you. Next question. When did that happen? Yes. Adnan?
September.
It happened in September 23, 2003.
Good. It happened on, 23 of September 2003. Okay, read the question. The next question. Khalid.
Yes,
Khalid,
mister.
please read the last question.
The largest fragment wasn't as heavy as the tennis ball.
Here. Look at the screen. How many people actually
How
saw
many
the
people?
fire?
2 people.
2 people, yes, good. How many people actually saw the fireball when the meteorite hit? 2 people. Good, thank you. Now, who wants to read? Who can read the
Can I?
article?
Can I read?
Yes, Dia.
Meteorite hits house, New Orleans, Louisiana, USA. When Ray and Judy Fawcett arrived home on the afternoon of September 23, 2003, they discovered to their amazement that a meteorite had crashed through their 2-story house. Neighbors said that they heard a terrific noise, and 2 people had actually seen the fireball when the meteor hit. The meteorite had penetrated through the Fawcett's roof and the house's 2 floors, and it had ended up in the crawl space under the house, leaving debris and fragments along its path. A total mass of 42.5 pounds, 19.3 kilograms from the meteorite was recovered from the Fawcett house. The 3 largest fragments weighed 6.5 pounds, 2.9 kilograms, 2.9 pounds, 1.3 kilograms, and 2.2 pounds, 1 kilogram.
Good, thank you very much. Who can I read again? Yes, Asaf. Are you here, Asaf?
Yes, mister.
Yes, please read, the article again.
New Orleans, Louisiana, USA. When Ray and Judy Fawcett arrived at home on this afternoon on September 23, 2003, they discovered to their amazement that a meteorite had crashed through their 2-story house. Neighbors said that they had heard a terrific noise and 2 people had actually seen the fireball when the meteor hit it. The meteor had penetrated through the Fawcett's roof and the house's 2 floors, and it had ended up in the crawl space under the house, leaving debris and fragments along its path. A total mass of 42.5 pounds from the meteorite and was recovered from the Fawcett's house. The three largest fragments weighed 6.5 pounds, 2.9 pounds, and 2.2 pounds.
Good, thank you very much. Okay. Now let's move to the questions.
Can I, mister?
Yes, number 1, Abdullah. Exercise B. Answer true or false. Read the first one, please.
When
the Fawcett's got home.
Yeah, when the Fawcett's got home, their roof had been smashed. Yes, it's true.
Yes, it's true. Number 2. Who can read? Yes, Adnan.
Teacher,
yes,
can I go?
Yes, you can. Yes, Adnan, number 2.
Okay, the crash happened while they were asleep. False.
False. They were out of the house. Number 3. Ahmed Hurani.
Yes, mister.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
The Fawcett's neighbor said they hadn't heard anything. False.
False. They, heard, let us say, a terrific noise. Good. Number 4. Khalid Bilal, are you here? Khalid?
Yes, mister.
Yes, please read number 4.
The meteorite had left a lot of destruction in its path. True.
Good, true.
Can I
last. Yes, Anwar.
The largest fragment wasn't as heavy as a tennis ball.
False.
I think it's false, yes.
Yeah, it's heavier than the tennis ball. Good, thank you very much.
So we will solve the homework together?
Yeah, we will solve it together now.
Page 55.
Here we have
2. Pair work.
What might have happened?
The driver might have hit a car on the road. What do you think it is?
It can't be a house. It must be an observatory.
Okay. So let's go to the homework.